What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. I hope every one of you guys are doing good. Welcome back to yet another Prodigy session where we will be talking about nothing but magnification. Now, I'm pretty sure that looking at this picture, it's very obvious that we're going to talk something related to magnifying glasses. But what we're going to understand in today's session is completely different. We are going to understand why does Bhavna ma'am look so scary in this image, right? We're also going to understand what is the difference between these two images of Bhavna ma'am, and we'll also understand why does Bhavna ma'am wear specs. So today's session is all about Bhavna ma'am. So welcome to the channel, people. I hope everyone of you guys are doing good. My name is Anoop, and I hope that you guys are well on your ways to prepare for your board exams, for your term 1 exams. You guys are busy with that. So we are on to the 14th session of light, where we will be talking about magnification and the power of a lens, right guys? Now before this, we have already done so many sessions of this chapter. Make sure that you watch all of those recordings as well, all of those previous sessions, in order to get a better idea of this entire chapter. If light is a chapter that scares you, then this is the way to get rid of that fear. All you have to do is watch all of that videos, and you also have my email ID at the end of it. And if you have a doubt, just drop a mail and we'll get in touch, right guys? So anyways, people, apart from that, a couple of other notifications that I want to quickly go through is this. One is that, people, we have a Telegram channel created. Now this Telegram channel is for us as well as you guys to get in touch with each of us, so you can connect with your master teachers. You can also get the regular schedules, and you can also get a faster update of all the topics that's going to happen on Vedantu 9th and 10th English channel. So all you have to do is this, guys, just click on this link, copy this link, take a screenshot, copy this link, type it out on the Telegram channel, and you'll be able to be a part of it, right guys? Now apart from that, we also have the pro exclusive micro course, which I'll be talking about more towards the end of today's session. I'll tell you how to enroll with me on the Vedantu platform for this pro exclusive micro course. At this point in time, we have 2 sessions going on. One is Be a Pro in Lens Bro, and Master Electricity Like Never Before. So if any of these topics are something that you're finding hard, then definitely, guys, you can study with me on the Vedantu platform for these topics as well. Right, apart from that, the weekly schedule is out already. Today, as you guys know, at 3 o'clock, there was another session that came out, which was basically sign convention of lenses and lens formula. So make sure you go through that as well. And right now at 8 o'clock, we have this particular session going on, which is nothing but magnification and the power of a lens as well. The next session would be coming out on 19th, that is tomorrow. And then we have a couple of other sessions that is coming out later on that week, that is one shot of both light 1 and light part 2 as well. So those one shot would help you to revise the entire chapter, and more importantly, it'll give you a good practice of what type of questions you can expect in your term 1 board exams as well. So if you want to be a part of it, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and like the video. Just like that. All right. So anyways, guys, we'll do a couple of backtrack questions from the previous session that was premiered at 3 p.m. And then we'll go on to today's topic. And after that, we'll go for another quiz time just to check how much of the topics that was taught today were something that you understood or not. Right, guys? So a couple of questions from the previous session. Here it is, the first one of the day. Let's go. According to the sign conventions, the sign of focal length of a convex lens is positive, negative, can be positive or negative, or can't say. What would be the sign convention of a convex lens, or focal length of a convex lens? Is it positive, negative, can be positive or negative, or can't say? 5 more seconds, guys. I know you know the answer. If you do not know, you need more time, pause the video, go through it, and then get the right answer. But nonetheless, try your very best, because again, guys, in your board exams also, you have a lot of MCQs. So be as quick as possible. All right, 3, 2, 1. The answer is positive, because for a convex lens, guys, the focal length lies behind the lens, hence it is positive. The answer given over here is not correct. It is actually positive, not negative. Couple of mistakes happens, but it's positive. All right, second question. All distances measured above the principal axis is Positive, negative, neither positive or negative, or can't say. Let me repeat the question. All distances measured above the principal axis. Is it positive, negative, either positive or negative, or can't say? Super easy question. 10 more seconds is what I'm going to give you, after which I'll reveal the answer. But I'm sure you guys know it. It's very important that you know, because sign conventions, if you guys are confused, then your numericals will become super duper hard, guys. So make sure that you guys are paying attention in the sign conventions, right? So anyways, in 3, 2, 1, the answer is positive again, because all distances above the principal axis is taken as positive and all distances below the principal axis is taken as negative. Here's another one. Distance is measured opposite to the incident light is what? Distance measured opposite to the incident light is positive, negative, 0, or none of these. I'll give you a small hint for all those who are confused about this one. Always the object is kept on the left hand side. No matter which ray diagram you take, be it concave mirror, convex mirror, concave lens, or concave mirror, sorry, concave lens. In whatever mirror or lens you take, we always keep the object on the left hand side. So that means that the incident ray is coming from left towards right. So if that is the case, what would be the distance measured if it is opposite to the incident light? It is going to be negative, because it's anything along the direction of the incident light is positive. In the opposite direction, we'll take it as negative. So that's it, people. So those are all the sign convention questions. I'm hoping that you guys are very clear with the idea. We've already come out with a video at 3 p.m. today itself. So make sure that you check that out if you have any confusions regarding that. And after that, if you still have doubts, you can also get down my email ID, which I'll put it up on the screen later. And you can send me an email on that as well. Right. Anyways, magnification of a lens. So let's go back to that question, right? Why is Bhavna ma'am's head looking so big in this particular picture? And if you look at these two pictures also, there's a clear difference in the size of Bhavna ma'am, right? Why is that? And what exactly is magnification? Is it just using a magnifying glass, or is it something else altogether in the world of physics? See guys, magnification is nothing but the ratio of height of the image to the height of the object. Let me clarify that. For example, guys, let's say there's a ray diagram, and they're saying that in a particular question, they're mentioning that the magnification is given as 2. What does that mean? If the magnification is given as 2, that means that the height of the image is 2 times greater than the height of the object. That is what it means. It's 2 times the height of the object. So once again, to repeat the definition, magnification is nothing but the height of the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. The ratio of height of the image to the height of the object is what is magnification. So if you have to write it mathematically, this is what it would look like. M, which is nothing but magnification, is equal to hi divided by h0, where hi is the height of the image and h0 is the height of the object. Now this is one way to find out the magnification. Let's say in a certain question, the height of the image and the height of the object is not given. Then can you not find out the magnification? You absolutely can. So the formula to find out the magnification is nothing but distance of the image divided by the distance of the object. Now it's the same thing when you talk about mirrors also. The only difference is that in mirrors you would take it as m is equal to minus v by u, but this remains the same. This one will be minus v by u, but in the case of lenses, it will be plus v divided by u, where v is the image distance and u is the object distance. So guys, very, very important formula. Please make a note of this. M is equal to hi by h0, where hi is the height of the image, h0 is the height of the object. If in case the height of the image and the height of the object is not given, then you can use the distance of the image and the distance of the object in order to find out the answer. Simple. Let's go ahead then. So m is equal to v minus u, v by u is the formula. Right. Let's take a couple of scenarios right now. So what I have right now is a convex lens. Now, one of the conditions in a convex lens is when the object is placed at 2f1, the image would be formed exactly at 2f2. And if you look at the size of the image, it is of the exact same size. Now, if you find the magnification in this condition, the height of the image and the height of the object is same. So in this case, people, magnification will be equal to 1, because height, for example, let's say there is an object which is of 10 centimeter tall. The image height will also be 10 centimeter tall. So that means that 10 divided by 10 will be what? M is equal to height of the image divided by height of the object. 10 divided by 10, which will be equal to 1. So M will be equal to 1 when the height of the image and the height of the object is exactly the same. Now this is the same case with plane mirrors also, but over there is reflection, here it is refraction, but ultimately magnification value will be equal to 1 when the height of the image and the height of the object is exactly the same. Second condition is when the height of the image is bigger than the height of the object. In this case, people, when the height of the image is greater than the height of the object, then magnification value will be greater than 1. If magnification value is greater than 1, that means that the image is a magnified image. It means that it's a magnified image. On the other hand, if the height of the image is less than the height of the object, then the value of M will be less than 1. When you find out the ratio, it will be less than 1. In that case, people, your image is a diminished image. Now, one more thing you must all be very much aware of is a negative sign. Sometimes you'll get it as M is equal to -2 or -3. This minus sign indicates that it's an inverted image. This minus sign indicates it's an inverted image, because when do you get minus? When it's below the principal axis, right? Below the principal axis is what is negative. So if M is given as negative, that means it's an inverted image. And what type of image will give you an inverted one? Real or virtual? Let me know that in the comment section. But let me tell you this, people, it is a real image. So all real images will have an inverted image. So that means that magnification will be minus whatever it is. So if it is less than 1, it will be minus less than 1. If it is plus, or if it is greater than, if the image is bigger than the object, then it's going to be minus greater than 1. All right. So ultimately, you have to look for the sign as well. That is also very, very important in order for you to understand what type of image is being formed. Right, guys? All right. Now, the next thing that we're going to talk about is the power of a lens. So I'm guessing that you guys have understood what is magnification. Once again, magnification, it is nothing but the height of the image divided by the height of the object. The ratio of this is what is called as magnification. If it is equal to 1, that means that it is of the same size. If M is greater than 1, that means that it's a magnified image. If M is less than 1, that means it is a diminished image. As simple as that. Now let's talk about the power of a lens. So let me go back to that question that I asked you in the start. Why is Bhavna ma'am wearing a specs? Why not? Is it because it makes her look cool? Is it because it makes her feel like she's an Avenger? Nah. The reason why all of this is happening, because there is something called as power. Now, here's what happens. If you look at one of the, if you look at if you go to an optician, they would probably check what is the power of your eyes. So they'll check both your right and your left eyes. For example, if you talk about Bhavna ma'am, the right eye has a power of -2 and the left eye has a power of -2.25. What does this value indicate? This value indicates the power of the lens. Basically, guys, see, all of us, because of because of using computers and a lot of electronic devices, what happens is that over time our eyes might not be able to contract or expand as much. All right, so eyes lose that capability to contract a lot or expand a lot. So in that case, what happens is that the power of your lens, that is there, the power of your eye lens reduces. All right, that is why, in order to correct it, so sometimes you see that over time some people, they're born with perfect vision, but I'm sure that a lot of you guys here would also be using a lot of spectacles, right? So in order for you to read something which is very small, you might need a spectacle. In order for you to read something far away, you might need a spectacle. Or if you're a geek, again, you might need a spectacle like this one, right? So all of these, you need this spectacle in order to correct the vision that you have. So basically, because of maybe because of malnutrition, that is, maybe you're not getting the right amount of vitamins, or it could be because of using a lot of electronic devices. The power of your lens, that is your eye lens, might decrease. So in order to get a clear image, that is when you use a spectacle. So these spectacles would have a certain power. So this -2 or -2.25 represents that power. Now the formula to calculate the power is nothing but power is basically equal to the reciprocal of the focal length in terms of meters. So the formula is P is equal to 1 by F. Now you must be wondering, sir, what exactly is power? Like, how do you define power? Power is something which tells you, or which helps us to identify how much is the degree at which the ray of light is being converged or diverged by that particular lens. So it tells you by how much. So if the power is less, then it would have a longer focal length. It would take longer for that lens to converge those rays of light. If you have higher power, then it'll have lesser focal length, because it is able to converge those rays of light much more faster than a lens which has less power. Getting it? So this is what power is all about. It tells you the degree of conversion, the divergence or the convergence that is created by a certain lens. All right, and the SI unit of power is nothing but diopter. It is represented by the letter capital P, and the SI unit is diopter. That is, if it is in meters, because P is equal to 1 by F, this F should be in terms of meter. So 1 by F can be written as diopter. All right, so which is represented by the letter D. Simple. So those are the topics that we had for you guys. Now we'll solve some quiz questions. But before that, guys, a super happy news for all of the Vedans out there. We have successfully created more than 139 NTSE selections for stage 1 from across 17 different states all over the country, where the Vedantu's NTSE subscription has helped so many students score good marks in NTSE. And I'm sure you guys know the importance of NTSE, where you have a scholarship and you have an opportunity to call yourself as an NTSE scholar. With Vedantu, you guys can make those dreams come true. We are offering you sessions for physics, mathematics, biology, chemistry, as well as mental ability tests with social studies as well, with more than 139 selection, which is the highest in any given institution. So this NTSE subscription, guys, has 60 plus live hours with both stage 1 as well as stage 2 preparations, with 50 plus chapter wise tests and 14 plus mock tests, with detailed analysis of the previous year NTSE solution, that is your papers, with unlimited doubt solving inside as well as outside the class. You don't need to go anywhere for your NTSE preparations. Stay at home and chill, guys, because we are here now. Vedantu's here, and it is here to help you guys to score the best of best marks, right? So all you have to do is, guys, very simple. So go to the description of this particular video and click on subscribe to Vedantu's courses right now. Once you click on this link, this is what you're going to get. So all you have to do is go to NTSE crash course, and here you can see that there are 2 different plans available for you guys. We have Vedantu Lite and Vedantu Classic. The quality of education in either of those is not decreasing in any manner. It is just the feature might be a little different. So Vedantu Lite has everything that you need. You have the live online sessions, you have the test series and analysis, you would have the assignments, you would have doubt solving inside the session as well. The only thing that is missing is the Vedantu app. You can't get your doubts solved in the Vedantu app, but Vedantu Classic would have that. The people who choose Classic will also get the Vedantu app for free, where you can get your doubts solved outside the session as well. Now the price of it might be a little different, but here's the thing, guys, you are getting a flat 10% discount on it. So for example, if I remove this coupon code, you can see this, it's actually 4,500 rupees, and for this also it's around 5,000 rupees. So if you apply the coupon code, you can see that the price actually drops down. It's AME Pro, that's my coupon code, don't ever forget it. So if you apply the coupon code, you get a flat 450 rupees discount, and I'm sure you guys want that particular discount, and you'll be saving up to 450 rupees, almost 500 rupees, and the price drops down to 4,050 rupees. And for Vedantu Classic, that'll be around 4,500 rupees. That means you're getting even more discount of 500 rupees, and you guys can, enjoy the sessions. Now, here's the thing, guys. These are the qualified teachers who will be teaching you. We have teachers from one of the most premiered institutes in the world, IISc Bangalore, where you have teachers who will be coming in and teaching you guys. 𝗟𝗲𝗿𝗺 Sir, who did his MTech from IISc. We have Mahima ma'am, we have Anjali ma'am teaching you chemistry. Such amazing set of faculty from the best of the best institutes is what you'll be getting for that price range. And trust me, guys, nowhere in the world are you going to get that kind of low price for such amazing faculty. And you can also check out the timetable. You can check out the results of NTSE, NEET, JEE, all the results that we have produced in the past to give yourself that assurity that Vedantu is the right place for all of you guys. Right, guys? So anyways, with that said, let's also get back into the quiz questions. Now, about the pro subscription courses, I'm pretty sure you guys already know about it. If you want, I'll give you an introduction to that as well towards the end. But let's quickly do some quiz questions and see how many of you guys have really understood today's topic, right? So here's the first question. The image formed is diminished if the height of the image is equal to the height of the object, the height of the image is greater than the height of the object, if HI, that is height of the image, is less than the height of the object, or can't see. When do you call it as a diminished image? Super easy question. I'll give you 10 seconds. I'm pretty sure you'll get the answer, but still I'll give you 10 seconds. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is going to be option number C, guys. When the height of the image is less than the height of the object, that is when you get a diminished image. Otherwise, if it's greater than the height of the object, then it's a magnified image. And if it's equal to the height of the object, that means the image is of the same size. Second question. The power of a lens is measured in what? Is it measured in watts? Is it measured in meters? Is it measured in centimeters? Or is it measured in diopter? Super easy question. What is the power of a lens measured in the SI unit of power is what? Of a lens, right? Is it not the power of a motor, the power of a lens? All right. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer, guys, is that it's a diopter. Basically, if the focal length is given in terms of meters, then you can write that the SI unit of power is diopter. Right? Next question. If the magnification produced by a lens is -1, the image should be inverted and diminished, inverted and of the same size, erect and enlarged, or erect and same sized. Come on, guys. I want everyone to give a very good effort for this question. Right? Put in your 100% for this one. Super important. And if you're able to answer this, you'll be able to answer any type of questions related to this. All right. But yeah, you have to practice a lot more though. But anyways, here's the thing, guys. This one represents that the height of the image and the height of the object is exactly the same. So it should be the same size. This minus sign indicates that the image is inverted in nature. So what is the right answer? Option number B. It should be inverted and it should be of the same size. All right, and here's your homework question, people. Try out this question for yourself. A convex lens has focal length of 20 centimeter. Find its power in terms of diameter. Now it's given in terms of centimeters, so convert that to meters before you find the power in terms of diopter. All right, let me know what is the answer in the comment section. Let me know how the questions were. Let me know if you want me to increase the toughness of the question or if it was difficult. All right, let me know that in the comment section as well. And the pro exclusive micro course, guys, if you enroll into any of the pro subscription courses, for example, if you go to, let's say you go to grade 10, you want to prepare for your term 1 examinations, click on that. If you enroll into any of these term 1 questions, term 1 preparations for your boards, you can also enter into the pro exclusive micro course for free of cost. So the term 1 preparations would cost you around 14,400 rupees. That is after the 10% discount. But don't worry, guys, you can actually pay this monthly, about 1,400 rupees per month, so that it does not not cause a lot of tension. You don't have to pay it all at once. Aram se per month is when you can pay it. If you go for Classic, the base price is 16,000, but after discount it'll be around 14,400. I think there is some sort of issue over here. Both of them are showing the same price. I think there is some problems right there. It's okay, but still guys, you also get Vedantu's improvement promise, which is a guarantee, which is a stamp that tells you if your scores don't improve, you can get your complete money back. And trust me guys, no institute, mark my words, no institute in the world gives you this guarantee that if your child's score does not improve, you can get your money back. And that is something that Vedantu is giving you. All right. So what are you scared of, right guys? So yes, here it is. Everything is right in front of you. Clean, plain as day. You can check out the results that we have produced in the past, be it one of the world's toughest exams in the world, JEE Mains, or be it NEET. In all of these, we have produced results. So for all those who say that it is not possible to produce results by studying online, ask us this question and we'll answer this. All right. So thanks a lot for joining guys. I'll catch you guys in the next session. All the very best for your board exams. I hope you guys would stay safe and keep your loved ones also safe. I'll catch you guys soon. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe. This is Anoop signing off for the day. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Catch you guys soon. Have a great evening. Bye bye guys. See you all. Take care.